Here we are doing another video of this 455D with our technician Adi, who just got done adjusting the steering as best he could. So we'll doing a little better on steering, which we'll demonstrate now in starting, and then he'll comment what he's seeing on the controls afterwards.
Call that 50 pounds of oil pressure. Got a new water pump belt on it, staying nice and cool. We also added an alternator because the old alternator was the reason why the old belt broke in the first place. So it's got a brand new 12-volt alternator. The amperage gauge does not work. It's got a recently replaced tachometer, and the oil temperature for the transmission, the gauge is inoperable.
Hydraulic strength of the hydraulic seems normal or not normal, or
the strength of the hydraulic seems pretty good for its age, nice and strong. The shifting of the transmission is pretty good. Goes into forward, goes into high, goes in low, pretty good. Goes in reverse nice. We adjusted the right side track. That's about as good as it's going to be. Left side, as you can see in the video, works just fine.
all right. Thank you.